Now, according to Variety, Frozen 2 has generated 1.325 billion at the global box office, pushing past Frozen, the original one, which was at 1.28 million, and The Incredibles 2 at 1.243 million to secure the top spot. Though Jon Favreau's remake of The Lion King, which is entirely computer generated and earned 1.65 billion in 2019, Disney considers it a live action reboot rather than an animated flick. And I think I read that Toy Story 3 has surpassed 1 billion as well. So, anyway, the benchmark only solidifies Disney's place as the you know just the biggest force of all things animation. Obviously, they're responsible for the three biggest cartoon movies of all time. Um, they also now own Marvel and Star Wars. Talk about an empire. Um, the Lion King is actually it's so groundbreaking in so many ways. I don't know how much you've seen it, but if you have seen it, I don't know how many behind the scenes little like docs or whatever you've seen about it. But I found this, which I thought was amazing, is Jon Favreau talking about how they made The Lion King.